Hi, I'm Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm PC. In this video, we'll continue to talk about how to sell a house or other real estate in a California probate decedent's estate court proceeding, or probate. This is the 6th video in a 7-part video series. So far in this video series, we discussed the reasons for selling probate real estate, the process for selling it based on the default rules with no Independent Administration of Estates Act, or IAEA authority, and the process for selling probate real estate with limited IAEA authority. And in the last video, we discussed 2 of the 3 ways that selling probate real estate with full IAEA authority is different than selling it based on the default rules with no IAEA authority. Here we discussed the 3rd way, that selling probate real estate with full IAEA authority is different than selling it based on the default rules with no IAEA authority. And before we continue, you'll need a basic understanding about bonds. If you don't have that, then see our prior videos about bonds and then come back here. As discussed in our prior videos in this video series, through the default probate real estate sale process with no IAEA authority and through the real estate sale process with limited IAEA authority, the court likely will not enter the order approving the sale until the increased bond is filed with the court. In these cases of the default probate real estate sale process with no IAEA authority and the real estate sale process with limited IAEA authority, real estate, which does not need to be included in the bond amount calculation, is converted to cash, which does need to be included in the bond amount calculation. Accordingly, the original bond amount from way back at the outset of the case becomes insufficient because now there's more cash now that the real estate is sold. And accordingly, the total bond amount needs to increase, as will the annual bond premium amount. It's different with full IAEA authority. With full IAEA authority, since the beginning of the probate proceeding, when the court appointed the executor administrator, the bond amount has always included the value of real estate, and it has also always included the value of cash. So selling real estate and converting it to cash with full IAEA authority has no impact on the bond amount, because all real estate and all cash already were included in the bond amount. Accordingly, normally there is no need to increase the surety bond amount when selling probate real estate with full IAEA authority. At Meinzer Law Firm PC, we have over 20 years of experience helping clients achieve their goals in probate cases. Again, I'm Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm PC. If you know that you need our help, or even if you just have a question, please contact us and let us take care of you.